Hi guys, sorry about last week's incomprehensive video. I had a bit of a woodworker's block. I didn't know where to go with this. I couldn't see the final product. But after a good conversation with one of my good friends, I got some nice ideas and I think we've got it now. I went to the shop and bought some supplies, some finishing supplies, and we're going to continue now. Sasha was busy making another groom buddy for one of her customers. So while she'll be doing that, I'll continue with the piano. Thank you.
Here me and Sasha is removing some of the tuning pins to make space for the glass hangers. I first tried to cut them out with a grinder, but it really leaves a bad finish and it's difficult to tidy them up. So by turning them out, got a much better finish. Here I'm using 60mm screws to screw the glass hangers into the top of the piano. Now for all the sanding. I'm sanding through the grids up to 220 grids before we start with the staining process. After doing quite a few test pieces, I decided to first stain it with a dark brown, which in this case is Emboya, 2 coats, and then a third coat I'll do with a reddish or red colored stain, which is Royal Mahogany.
Hi guys, so I finished the bottle rack. I sanded, stained and edged it. The edging has changed. I've decided to do iron-on raw mahogany edging. It suits the color of the original piano quite well. I also boxed the back part that we're going to add some detail to. I'll show you in a minute. The part that was usually in front I've added to the back. That's the nice detail I told you about. Polish the brass, and I think that will look quite good once the LEDs are installed. I will assemble it now and show you what it's going to look like. So guys, I hope this gives you an idea of what the plan is. On top of the keys, there's going to be a piece of safety glass as well on the second tier here, just to close it off, stuff not to fall in there. Now it's all the finishing jobs. It's going to start now, fix up all the scuff marks, do some more edging, and then get the whole thing polished and cleaned.